What's good? We are back. It's about that time. We are gonna try and make some awesome Odeal style Afrobeat R&B sort of vibes. Let's get into it. Let's go kind of slowish, 95 BPM. The way I'm gonna run this is basically an R&B sample with those Afrobeat drums over the top. Let me try something I haven't tried before in a while, actually. Sky keys. That's literally what I was looking for. That's fire. It's too often. This little bit right here you don't need. Just that little one difference feels massive. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. What am I feeling now though? What's missing? Maybe the kick's not on every beat. Oh, that feels good to me. I love that rim. I like this one. But it feels a little bit busy, right? There it is. Got to take out some of the kicks. No. There it is. We found it. We found it, yo. I've got an idea. Let's go super fast so that it pitches down real low. Loving makes me wanna know, makes me wanna show you, makes me wanna show. Loving makes me wanna know, makes me wanna show you. It makes me wanna know, makes me wanna show you, makes me. Loving makes me wanna know, makes me wanna show you, makes me wanna show, makes me. That's my cut right there. There it is. But we don't want that delay on every single part, right? So we've got a couple options just to keep it super simple. Let's automate this. Perfect. 2, 3 makes me 2, 3. Then the chorus comes in with the bass. There we go. That's everything. And I think the bass line's actually super simple. Give it loads of low end. And we got some dynamic issues there. Oh, that's where the sexiness is. Right, I took a break. Good idea when you need to refresh the ears. And now I can hear that actually this little bit here is so out of tune. Maybe I can just chuck an auto shift on here. I think I want some decapitator on this as well. Get rid of some of the lows. I'm gonna go with the reverb and putting it in parallel. No, you don't want to quantize it too much and lose all of that bounce. Yeah, that's the one. That's fire. That's fire. And if you guys want to learn exactly how I make beats like these, check out the link in the description. That's where I'm teaching inside of my school community. You'll be able to learn exactly how to make music like your favorite artists. Follow my dedicated roadmap, get support from myself as well as loads of other cool people inside of the community. It's an absolutely awesome place to be. So click that link to join, because right now there's a free week trial so that you can take a look, find out what's actually inside. All right, let's take a listen. Oh yeah, I don't love this. I don't love the kicks at the beginning like that. 3, 4. Hey. Actually, I would take this out. Let's go. Love it.